Assalamualaikum, selamat sejahtera. Welcome to the course Aircraft Structure Repair, course code AAB31003. I'm one of the lecturer, Abu Hanifah Haji Abdullah. You can contact me at number 012-359-1245 or email abuhanifah@unikl.edu.my. Abu Hanifah to be spelled in full, ABUHANIFAH @udkl.edu.my, and you can WhatsApp me through the phone. So what is this course all about? So let's look at the rationale of the inclusion of the course in the program. Let's try to read. Aircraft structure repair is a core knowledge in the aviation industry, which relate to the structure engineer's scope work. Knowledge is essential for the graduates to perform normal tasks. For example, aircraft structure design concept. You need to understand the structure, load, stresses, factor safety, and also before that, you need to understand the type of damage characterizations, and inspection of the damage. So you will be able to determine the extent of damage and will be able to design a good repair of the structure. And this course is 120 hours total of the lecture, tutorial, practical, and others. So total up 120 hours. That is face-to-face. However, we are lacking of face-to-face at the moment. Will be online, so we can consider this face-to-face become online, which is 50 hours. So you have to come to the lecture, listen to the lecture, and the hours will be around these 50 hours. So again, the prerequisite for you to be able to pass the course, if it's flying with flying colors, you should have the mechanics of material. You should have good understanding of mechanics of material. If you score fully on the mechanics of material, you should go back and review the mechanics of material. But some students, they may also take this course in parallel. It's not advisable, but I cannot prevent you of doing that because I'm just teaching the course. If you are doing that, you have to be prepared. You have to learn your mechanics of material ahead of your friend in the class because you're supposed to learn it already. So that is the general review about this aircraft structure repair course.